sort of buying activity. Set it to reverse and cancel now, just so if I decide to reverse the order, actually when I clicked that to set the setting, it's reversed me anyway. So I'm already short instead of long, and now I'm just hoping that the market will continue dropping towards this unfilled gap down here. So you can see at the bottom, basically it closed me out for 600 loss when I clicked. So I went down and I clicked one of these options and it was reverse and cancel, so it closed out the trade and put the opposite order on. So I was long, it closed that, and then it sent me short when I clicked in the drop down. So I thought if I clicked here, it would let me just have that as a button so that I can quickly access it, but that wasn't the case. So as soon as I hit that, it reversed my order. Just important to be aware of that situation. I'm not sure the previous day's low will hold. We'll just have to wait and see. Obviously watching the order flow as usual, but I'm hoping that the market will just drop very thinly, spread out. S1 breakout short and S2, there's not really any strength to those levels from a visual perspective. So it's really just about hoping these levels don't hold and we continue this bearish direction that we've seen on the daily chart. So I'll just quickly go over to the daily chart. It's been quite bearish for the most part. We've had a couple of bullish candles, but we are down at this, I guess, low point on the 4 hour. So it's just kind of in between everything. The levels aren't telling us anything too powerful, and just hoping that this market really pushes down.